everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Costco? This is ticker COST. And one thing that I thought was interesting was the fact that even throughout the conflict in the Middle East, Costco did break under the 50-day moving average, but didn't stay under there for long. And I started thinking, well, why is this holding up better than a lot of other stocks? And it dawned on me, oh wait, no one is going to cancel their Costco membership because if they're looking for deals, chances are if they're shopping, they're probably going to go to Costco anyways and buy everything in bulk so they don't end up spending so much money at the regular grocery store. And so Costco's been on my watch list for a while here. And just the other day, it broke out of a pretty clean handle pattern. You see this long, sloppy cup, and then this handle that had been developing since the middle of February. We've been holding above this handle and have clear support down around the 8-day, where every time it bounces down to the 8-day EMA, the buyers step in. Now, if you missed that bounce buy opportunity, I still think Costco could be buyable with a move just above today's intraday high in and around $1,020. And so I would look for a move through and a close above 1,020 on Costco. And that could get you into the stock, putting a stop right at today's intraday low for a stop loss. So you're risking, just under $20 on the trade. Start small, build into the position, and as it works in your favor, you can move that stop up to break even as soon as possible. And so that's just one of many setups that I'm looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.